How are you going? What is the square root and how is it calculated? We won't be looking at any negative values in this tutorial. We're simply going to introduce the idea of a square root. Let's take a look. To find square roots, we need this symbol, the radical symbol. And any number that appears inside the radical symbol is called the radicand. So let's try a couple. Here's the first one, the square root of 9. So notice there we have our radical symbol and our radicand is 9 here. So what does the square root of 9 mean? What we are looking for is a number that if you multiply it to itself, we get 9. What number times itself equals 9? That's pretty easy. You probably know that it's 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So a better way to say it is actually this. Okay, what number squared equals 9? Okay, what number times itself equals 9? The answer is 3. Okay, we have squaring it, giving 9. The opposite of squaring it, or the inverse of squaring it, is the square root. Okay, so we are doing the reverse of squaring. So the square root of 9 is 3. And that is it. If you're wondering, we do not put a plus or minus here in this case. There is a time where we do that, but it's not here, and I'm not going to go into it in this tutorial. Next one, the square root of 49. So this time we're looking for a number squared equals 49. What number times itself equals 49? 6 times 6 is 36, no? 7 times 7 is 49. It is 7, okay? So the square root of 49 is 7. Okay? This number times itself gives this number that is the radicand. Down to C, the square root of 1. So what number squared equals 1? What number times itself equals 1? Pretty easy. 1 times 1 equals 1. Okay, so the square root of 1 is 1. Okay, like I said, no plus or minus in this situation, just a 1. So last one, 100. We are looking for the number that goes in here to give 100. Well, that's easy. 50 times 2 is 100. 50. Whoa, stop. Hold it right there. Are you sure about that? Oh, what am I doing? Whoops. Squaring is not multiplying by 2, and square rooting is not dividing by 2. Very easy to do that. Be careful. Common mistake, okay? We are not multiplying by 2, right? We are multiplying by itself. What number times itself is 100? 8 times 8 is 64? No. 9 times 9 is 81? No. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 squared is 100. Square root of 100 is 10. This number times itself equals 100. Got it? It's now your turn. Please try example 2. What are the square roots of these numbers? Share your answers in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.